Oh God. Next one.
There are a lot of American soldiers fighting in Ukraine. Now we have another cool video.
Oh. Fucking shit. You good there?
I think so. I see too.
Yeah,
No
everything's good?
concussion, I'm just fucked.
Scared the shit out of you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like your helmet is kind of squished.
It did its fucking job though, God.
Yes,
dang.
it did.
Holy shit.
I'm done. That's it, I'm done, go home. Fuck that. That was a big ass
in the head.
Yeah. Oh,
Sniper.
Wait, what? I don't know. That was a fucking rocket.
yeah. It was a rocket, bud.
Oh, rocket bounced off my head? Oh, fuck! Oh, shit!
I was wondering what the fuck that was.
Oh. These stupid motherfuckers.
It was a rocket at her Humvee and hit me in the dome.
Oh my fucking God.
Oh, fuck. Okay, at least I was recording for that bit.
Let me get back in my hole.
Rick just got hit in the head with a rock.
Here are some of the videos we have already seen.
Hey, they're falling back all the way.
Yeah, let's go back. Keep moving.
Hey, roger that.
Move.
Let's go.
American volunteers in Ukraine are active on all fronts, and it is no secret that a large group of Americans participated in the Great Ukrainian Counteroffensive. Here are some good fights.
Ammo! 50 ammo! Bullets!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.